Regarding udaba le campaign kaDikon eyavalwa ngomhla ka-3 kuMarch. I don't like actually explaining myself on social media ngoba leyo nto leyo isuyikhombisa ukuthi weak kahle kahle, but since this has been brought to my attention, I'm left with no option except like explaining myself or my side la ku social media ukuthi what has been happening recently and what was the mission and the vision behind all of this. But sila lapha esikhona ngingathanda nginjalo kuyichaza noma ukuchaza ezinye zezinto. Kunabantu abasuke bebuza genuinely ngoba babekwenze othandweni noma abanye besuka from my side, and uthe omunye kade ngithi no okunye ngizochaza ngazi wathi angikwazi ukusho kanjalo on social media because kunezinto eziningi ezibalekile ezinye esazodinga umphakathi mangabe sindawonye ngoba awuhluleki, ezinye isazodinga ibandla. So coming back, abanye bayabuza genuinely liphi ipholo miyeza kuphi ukuthi kwenzakala ini, noma ke iningi babuza bepholo kungosathana noma abantu ababe anti campaign. So but sila lapha esikhona anginawo ama update angako actually in my side. Ngicabanga ukuthi nomuntu wayefundraiselwa ngoba isikhwama kwakuyisikhwama kahle kahle sebandla, kodwa umgcini waso ngoba injongo yaso kwakumenzela into enhle noma ukuthengelwa something, yonke into yasa decide ukuthi sigcinwe kuyena. And as far as I know ayikho into wrong noma mhlambe senzakalile. Ngicabanga ukuthi usabhizi umnikazi wakhona lapha ekhona, mhla kwaba right kahle then we will communicate mhlawumbe ku decide ke gcine kuboniswana nebandla ukuthi emnikweni nongaka owawusuka I think mhla ka 17-19 kuFebruary yini mhlawumbe into engenzakala. Sakukuningi ke sasikukhulume la sasikuplanile, so amaphaphu phansi yini mhlawumbe into engenzakala, yini mhlawumbe into engabonakala. The last time ngine update it was a week before kuvalwe ngoba kwavala Monday kumhla ka3, but a week before I think it was Tuesday what ngangigcine ama funds esekwenye amount, but it was more than 50k at that point. But since as from then anginayo update hlehle. People were busy asking me ngodaba lo khozi no daba lo men's what saying ufuna ngi-avoid ngikhuza usibani aye ku-comment alana nalana yonke lento kanjalo. No, ngicabanga ukuthi asikho in touch kangako, and enye into it was from here on social media there was no agenda behind lo nto leyo ukuthi mhlambe masipush i-campaign ukuthi sekohlezi omunye imanager yomunye noma omunye ukuthi nokunye. Cha kwakuyinto eyayidlula ezovalwa ngomhla ka3 futhi nakhona. So sengithi leyo nto leyo ngikucacisa, if however there any update noma ngesimo sonke esikwenzala, uma ngabe ngithola ipressure yokuthi kumele ukuthi ngiphendule, I will respond. Lokhu ngikwenza ngesimo sokuthi kunezi izinto straight eyisuke ibhekane nami. Some people were sending me proof of payments serious ngendlela eyisimanga. Akekho umuntu ongahlala ungamphendula umuntu afaka u10,000 rand wakhe noma 5,000 ngisho no ufake u5 rand or 1 rand. Uma ezokubuza something genuinely ngoba uzomdinga ngelenye ilanga, kumele ukuthi uresponde. Sinomama lana esimdinga odinga ukulekelela usisi futhi akusiyona umama usawusisi lo yasese lo onenkinga yelentozana ye wheelchair. Bengekwazi ukuqhubeka leyo campaign leyo ibe productive. Kokunye engenzakalanga ukuthi kwenzakalani ngemva lokho ngithi hayi angazi, animeni kancane ngizophendula yonke leyo nto leyo. No okwamanje besingakaxhumani hlehle nomnikazi noma nomuntu ophethe isikhwama ibandla lalifuthi kumenzela something. Uma ngabe sesixhumana then we will then decide ukuthi kwenzakalani moving forward. Kuphela kukho konakele, ngicabanga ukuthi yonke into igcinekile ngakuyena, yonke into kanjalo. Mhlambe naye futhi uyobuya ibongela dalula ukuthi like she accumulated amount engaka, okunye ke ebandla la decide lenzana ngoba ngale nkathi kwenziwa kwangashongo ukuthi thatha nansi imali siyakupha hlala nayo, kwakuthiwe wanna to buy you something. Even nabanye abafowethu mhlambe ababe nezipho noma nezinto ezithile through iscarcity sika ntombazana, okunye kwagcina mhlambe ngathi sekuya withdraweka yabo, noma mhlambe ngathi akusenzeki, but awekho amanga ake abakhona noma bathembisa into abanama-uncertainties ngayo noma benzela imedia. Ngikhuluma ngabantu abahloniphekile kwanami engibahloniphayo, abawobhuti abadala kumina nabanye suku-level eyodwa, yonke leyo nto leyo, not level yempilo, sengisho ukuthi ngokweminyaka, ngingaze lithi nginama-levels. So ngibonga ithuba, it's all about that.